Hello everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data. So we are going to continue with our LOD series, and this is the second example, cohort analysis. One of the most common, or maybe the one of the first use case that you might see with the Tableau website itself. As discussed in the previous video as well, the example one, right? I may be repeating it again and again, but maybe then you might have come to this video for the first time, or maybe to this series for the first time. Yeah, so basically LOD, level of detail for a Tableau visualization, it's as per the way that you have selected dimension, in this case, year. So if you have selected year, then the level of detail is at year. So you can see the sales with respect to different years. If I drill down to quarters, so it's with respect to quarters, as simple as that. So it would respect the level of detail that is determined by the way you have dragged your dimension to maybe columns, rows, or it can be colors, size, label, detail, and path as well. So with this cohort analysis as well, will have to come out of the default aggregation, that default LOD, level of detail, that is there with our visualization. So I need to come out of that. That means here, what you see, one color for 2011. So with this analysis, this is an important analysis that helps me to understand that how many customers we have retained over the years. So you can see if we go forth from 2011 to 2012, these are the customers who were retained, and these are the new customers. That's why with each passing year, you see a new addition of the color over there. You can see, right? So this is an important analysis that helps me to understand how many customers we have retained and how many new customers are coming. So when I say retained, these many customers purchased for the first time in the year 2011, right? And if you see, we have retained a lot of customers from 2011, which is a good thing to have. On the right hand side, we will also turn the same visualization to percent of total sales. That means it will show that okay, 39% of these customers are the loyal customers who purchased for the first time in the year 2011, and these are the new customers, the rest of the 60%, so forth and so on. In the last year 2040, there will be four partitions for sure, because one will be for 2011, 12, 13, and 14, so forth and so on. But then how to create this now? Okay, let us do it from the scratch itself, entire view. Again, I'll go with the fixed partition, fixed LOD function over there, and what I have to fix. So I say that I want to see the customers who purchase for the first time. So for that, I need to have minimum of order date, right? That's it. So this formula gives me the first purchase day of any customer. So I can say this as first purchase date per customer, you can say. Okay, we are good. And I say apply. So again, I'll show you the formula. Fixed customer ID against the minimum of order date. So I'll get the first order date for any customer. And I say apply. And I say okay. So I'll go back and I say this one. I put that to color and boom. That's what we were looking for, right? So yeah, we are retaining a lot of customers from the year 2012. As we are moving forward, one partition or with this stacked bar, one color denotes the one year, right? And because of that, we see four different colors for the last year, because it will show you the four different years. So it shows that okay, these many customers from 2012, now these many customers from 2013, we are maintaining those sales value with respect to 2013, so forth and so on, right? So this is a nice visualization. It helps us to understand that how much, or say how many customers we have retained over the years, and how many new customers have been added over the years. So how can I convert this to the other form, like percent of total? So for every year, it should show me that okay, uh, you know, like for example, here you can see that this is 100%. This is like 60 to 40 almost, right? So for every year, what is the percent of total being contributed by the customers with respect to different first order date? So first of all, we need to turn this to percent of total. So for that, I'll go to my measure, and I say quick table calculation, and I say percent of total, and I will turn my label on. But initially it will go from table across, so you are not getting that feeling of 100% bar length are not same over there. So for that, I'll have to change computing using from table across to table down, so that each bar will become a partition and you will get percent of total. It will add up to 100%. So we need to do that. Here you go, 100%, because first year, all the customers from 2012. Here, 34% from 2000, sorry, 66% from 2012, and new customers. So it shows the contribution of different customers with respect to their first purchase order date, right? And that's what we were looking for. So this is our cohort analysis, and I hope this has made some sense. Also, please check my Power BI channel, which should be at the description. So if you are into Power BI or planning to learn Power BI, don't forget to check out my channel over there. So we'll meet again with another LOD function. Till then, it's bye bye from Ritesh. Keep on dancing with data, क्योंकि data ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.